In the Rose Garden by Lioba, size 40 by 40 cm rounds, we start the special treatment version 1 with gold crystals sprinkled in the yellow areas of the painting. And this would be mainly the yellow roses in her hair. For version 2 of In the Rose Garden, we add magenta crystals and sprinkle it in the red areas. So this would be the flowers, the red roses that is on the bottom of her chin, as well as on her hair and on her shoulder. Finally, for version 3, we have electric diamonds sprinkled in the white areas of the butterfly. I believe that's a butterfly. So that's the middle part that we see here is sparkling. So simply place it on there and it will add a nice touch that really shines and makes this image come alive.